To get started with the TSB Bank Chatbot, first ensure you have a TSB account and are registered for online banking. The TSB Bank Chatbot is a convenient way to manage your accounts, answer questions, and get help 24/7. Begin by visiting the TSB website or opening the mobile banking app. Look for the chat icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the web page or within the app's main menu. Click on this icon to launch the chatbot. You will be greeted by a welcome message and asked how the chatbot can assist you. Type your query or select from the available options, such as checking account balances, transaction history, or making payments. The chatbot will respond with relevant information or ask follow-up questions to better understand your request. For example, if you ask about your account balance, the chatbot will provide your current balance and recent transactions. To make a payment, simply type the amount and recipient's details, and the chatbot will guide you through the process. Ensure you have the necessary permissions and funds in your account before initiating a payment. When using the TSB Bank Chatbot, remember to keep your personal and account information secure. Never share sensitive details with anyone, and always log out of the chat when finished. If the chatbot is unable to resolve your issue, you can request to speak with a live customer support agent for further assistance. The chatbot will provide a reference number for your conversation, which can be useful when escalating your query. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use the TSB Bank Chatbot to manage your accounts and get help whenever you need it. The chatbot is designed to provide quick and easy support, saving you time and effort.